Climate change is one of the major challenges of our time. Urgent action is needed to secure a livable future, and the question of how companies can integrate sustainability into their daily business is essential. Hitachi Energy offers you EconiQ Implementation services that calculate, cut, and compensate the environmental impact of power grid projects and maintenance activities, delivering net zero and carbon neutral services. Our new EconiQ Implementation covers a three-step approach. Calculate. Our environmental reporting tool enables you to easily understand, measure, and evaluate the environmental impact. Cut. Once the impact of your activities has been analyzed, our experts will suggest alternatives to make it more sustainable by means of EconiQ solutions and other actions that have a lower environmental impact, such as remote assistance and digital services. And finally, Compensate. We can also offset and capture the unavoidable CO2 emitted, thanks to our key collaborations. The result from EconiQ Implementation is clear insights into the environmental impact in order to make more sustainable choices when defining asset maintenance strategy, and at the same time help solve significant climate challenges. Hitachi Energy, advancing a sustainable energy future for all.